Welcome to our channel. Today video of Pro Level SEO for Blogger, the ultimate guide to optimizing your blog for search engines and reaching a wider audience. Whether you are a novice blogger or an experienced one, mastering SEO is crucial for your online success. In this video, we'll provide you with pro-level strategies to take your blog to the next level. So, let's dive right in. Section 1. Understanding Blogger SEO. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of SEO, let's understand what it is and why it's vital for bloggers like you. SEO, or Search Engine Optimization, is the process of enhancing your website's visibility on search engines like Google. When you optimize your blog, you increase its chances of appearing on the first page of search results, which can drive more organic traffic to your content. Section 2. Keyword Research. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. They're the words and phrases people type into search engines when looking for information. Let's learn how to find the right keywords for your blog. Use keyword research tools to identify high traffic and low competition keywords relevant to your blog's niche. These tools can help you uncover the words your audience is searching for, giving you valuable insights into their needs and preferences. Section 3. On-page optimization. Now that you have your keywords, it's time to optimize your blog posts for them. On-page optimization is the key to telling search engines what your content is all about. Ensure that your target keyword appears in your blog's title, headings, and throughout the content. Don't forget to optimize your meta tags, including the meta title and meta description. These elements provide search engines and users with a glimpse of what your content offers. Section 4. Quality content creation. SEO isn't just about keywords, it's also about creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Craft informative, well-researched, and visually appealing blog posts. Use images, videos, and infographics to make your content more engaging. By providing value, you'll not only satisfy your readers but also encourage them to share your content. Section 5. Backlink building. Backlinks are like pivots for your blog. They indicate to search engines that your content is trustworthy and relevant. Building backlinks is a crucial part of SEO. Reach out to other bloggers in your niche and ask for guest post opportunities or collaborations. Additionally, write guest posts for authoritative websites and include links back to your blog. This can significantly boost your blog's credibility. Congratulations! You've just completed our Pro Level SEO for Blogger guide. By understanding SEO, conducting effective keyword research, optimizing your on-page content, creating high-quality posts, and building backlinks, you'll be well on your way to becoming an SEO pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow bloggers, and subscribe for more valuable content. If you have any questions or want to share your SEO journey, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Connect us via social media. Contact us via website or call. Thank you for watching.